Okay. Yung mga question po na yan, no, these are the acid question you should ask yourself before proceeding in the business of life. Okay? Kaya kahit ano pasukin yung business, lagi niyong itanong yung mga acid question na yon. So you have only but one life, a very short life. And not knowing its meaning is a great loss. Kaya maraming tao na walang nangyayari sa kanilang buhay, lumipas ang 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, walang meaning sa kanya eh. Ba't niya ginagawa yung isang bagay? Particularly ito, ano ko sa Live Good, no? Kaya may mga tao, lumilipas, naka 21, 22 months na tayo, pare-parehas lang naman tayo nag-Live Good. O sige, sabi na lang natin, naka 1 year ka na, naka 1 year na tayo. Bakit? Merong iba, grabe ang resulta, ikaw yan ka pa rin. Baka hindi mo alam yung meaning kung bakit ka nagli-Live Good. And that is a great loss. Not knowing your purpose in life is like a ship, bangka, without a rudder, yung timon. No direction. Pag walang timon, walang hélice, di ba? Paano ka liliko? Ano direction mo? Wala. Aasa ka na lang sa alon, sa hangin. No hope. It is like chasing the wind. Nagigets nyo? So pag naiintindihan mo kung bakit ka nagli-live good, o bakit mo pinasok ang isang negosyo, o bakit ka isang nanay, o isang tatay, o isang upline ng isang team, ng isang organization, knowing your purpose gives meaning to your life. Dahil may meaning, alam mo, dumadali ang paglilive good mo. It simplifies your life, motivates your soul, and focuses your concerns on what matter most to you. Pansinin nyo to, yung microphone, okay, gamitin mo, pero walang amplifier, o kaya wala kang mic, nagsasalita ka lang, ang hirap, sakit sa lalamunan, tapos ang nakikinig, thousands of people. So, para dumali, merong purpose yung microphone, kaka yung amplifier. Gamitin mo yon na kahit bumulong ka, maririnig ka ng libu-libong tao. Yun yung gamit ng microphone, tsaka anong amplifier. Yun yung sinasabi dito na knowing your purpose gives meaning to your life. It simplifies your life. Dumadali, ha? Ang paglilive good mo dumadali, ang pagda-diamond mo dumadali kasi klaro sa'yo, malinaw sa'yo. Ba't mo ginagawa ang live good? Are you learning? Sarap, no? Sarap pag-usapan, no? At yan ang secret. You and only you can unfold your true identity and destiny if you know your dharma. Maniwala kayo, walang ibang sikreto ang mga mayayaman. Yan, sagutin nyo dapat yan. Dharma of life. So sa palawigin pa natin, dharma, a Sanskrit word which came from the root word dar, which means to support, uphold, and nourish. Ito yung tutulong sa'yo para dumali ang isang bagay. It is the cosmic foundation that support life, the sustaining force of the world, and the divine coherence of the universe. So dharma is the understanding of appropriate action in accordance to one's duty, purpose, and meaning. And it is the wisdom behind all things. Kaya kung bakit merong mabilis at may mabagal, ang pinagkaiba lang po nila yung pong clarity. Ba't nila ginagawa ang isang bagay? So can you tell me the dharma of a pen? Anong purpose ng pen? To write, di ba? If the pen is not used for writing, that is service purpose? No. The same is true with candle. Its main purpose is to provide light and heat. If not, a candle will be useless. Para ano yung candle? Diba? So in reality, this principle is the foundation in knowing the purpose and meaning of a man's life. So type natin. Lahat tayo. You are not an accident. Type niyo po. You are not an accident. Come on. Sarap mag-training, no? Okay. You are not an accident. Okay. You are nature's greatest miracle and you are created for a grand purpose. Type nyo, grand purpose. Naku, kailangan magrima sa inyo to, itong mga pinag-uusapan natin. You are not an accident and you are created for a grand purpose. Hindi, huwag kang papayag na hindi mangyari yung purpose ni God sa'yo. Ba't ka nilagay dito sa Live Good? Okay? Knowing and performing your dharma gives you the ability to express your true nature in unleashing the human potential. The fire within you to achieve your life objectives and meaning. And by discovering your dharma, you can develop an enormous level of integrity and influence that can shape your character's self-being. Galing. Dapat talaga naintindihan mo no, ang isang bagay pag pinasok mo. Hindi pa pwedeng hindi mo siya naintindihan. Paano ka makakapag-influence ng ibang tao kung ikaw mismo nangangapa ka kung ano tong ginagawa mo? Kaya leaders is influence eh. Paano mo sasabihin na ang Live Good ay maganda, magiging successful ka, eh ikaw nga hindi pa. Kaya kayo mismo, no, dapat tuklasin nyo talaga. Ano yung kulang? Bakit ka natatagalan sa pag-angat? Ito na, pinag-uusapan na natin. Lilinawin pa natin lalo para lalo kayong magpursige. The value of your dream. So can you achieve your life dreams with your present income 5 years from now? Ask yourself. Halimbawa, nagtatrabaho ka ngayon sa employment. Compute your salary. Compute your expenses. So ngayon, ito yung mga dreams mo. Makukuha mo raw ba yan? Yung mga dreams mo na yan sa present income mo right now. Ganon din sa Live Good. Okay? Oh, compute mo yung income mo. Compute mo yung expenses mo. Saan papunta yung income mo? Equal ba sa ano mo? Sa dreams na mga sinulat mo? Pag hindi, it's time to reclaim your dreams. Reclaim your dreams. Okay? Eto na. Alam niyo ba kung ano sikreto ng mga billionaire? Ha? Ng mga mayayamang tao? Oh, ito na. The secret of a self-made millionaire is simple. They dream big dreams. Huwag mong tipirin ang pangarap mo. Gandahan mo, lakihan mo. Kasi dun pa lang, kung tinitipid mo, nagdududa ka, ay talagang ang attraction mo mali eh. Ang ina-attract mo, kahirapan. Ang ina-attract mo, poor, negative. Oo, kaya ako yung nakikipag-usap sa mga poor mindset. Oo, nakakahawa kaya yon. Hindi kayo parehas ng wiring. Ikaw, eto gusto mo. Yung iba, eto gusto. Ang hirap. Ang hirap. Hindi kayo align. Sobra. Oo. So, you need to, no? Walang masama eh. Di man ang mangarap. Kaya nga, pangarap eh. Eh, lalo na kung may pagkukuhanan ka ng pangarap, eh, lalo ka nang lakihan mo yung pangarap mo. Okay? So, try to, imagine. Pumikit kayong lahat kahit di tayo nagkikita-kita, no? Kung nasa tahimik ang lugar, nasa kwarto ka, nakikinig ka na itong training na to, try to imagine. Close your eyes. Allow yourself to dream and envision the kind of life you would like to have. So you must have a dream if you want to come true. So imagine that you have no limitation on what you can be, on what you can have or do in life. Lahat pwede mong makuha, lahat pwede mong gawin. That you have all the time, hindi ka nakatali sa employment, you have time freedom, you have a lot of money, a lot of good friends, resources, and everything else you want to achieve in life. Then think again. If your potentials are unlimited, what kind of life can you provide for you and your family? Kaya lang naman nililimit mo ang family mo sa gusto nila. Nakatingin ka kasi sa kulang eh. Laging kulang eh. So try to imagine, you have no limitation. Lahat na nasa iyo. Ang laki ng income mo, 'di ba? Everything. You have a lot of connection, friends, resources. O, pipigilan mo ba kung ano yung gusto ng pamilya mo para sa family mo, sa anak mo? Wala. Lahat ng gusto nila ibibigay mo, ipoprovide mo, 'di ba? You travel around the world, lahat ng gustong laruan ng anak mo, eskwelahan na maganda, everything ibibigay mo. Why? Because you have no limitation. Lahat nasa sayo. You have time freedom, you have a lots of money. Okay? Now project your life 5 years ahead. Today is 2024. Patapos ng 2024. Okay? So 2025, 26, 27, 28, 29. Project your life 5 years ahead. Imagine that your life is perfect in every aspect. Ibig sabihin, alam mo na lahat ng gagawin mo magtatagumpay. Alam mong nasa tamang business ka, nasa tamang negosyo ka, alam mong yayaman ka. 5 years mong gagawin. So ask yourself the following question. What is life? Ano yung gusto mo?